Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to set up multiple accounts or MT4 on your macOS device. To begin, open the MetaTrader 4 application. Once MT4 is open, click on the Accounts tab on the top left corner. In the Accounts area, you will see that you are already logged in to an account. To add multiple accounts, click on the plus button. Click on Login to an existing account. Search for IS6 and pick either the live or demo servers, depending on your need. Enter your login credentials, which you should have received in your email. You are now logged into multiple accounts on MT4 and ready to start trading. Congratulations! You have successfully set up multiple accounts for MT4 on macOS. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!